The cat in the box. Cats love boxes. Kitty cat. Cats love their boxes, right? So what cat is that?
Lucy.
How can you tell them apart? They look. It looks. I mean, how can you tell apart the cats?
The little special spots.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
That's Lucy. I like that name, Lucy. It means light. Little Lucy. Oh, playing with a piece of cardboard. Lucy. Cat's playing with the little, playing with the little cardboard. Hey, in a box. Lucy. Hi. Oh, you know your name. Hello, Lucy. Hi. Oh, you know your name. That's good. There you go. So old box, we just got it. Well, we took something out, and it was empty, and the cat jumped into it. Yeah, okay.